Three-step credit repair review usage experience. In this video, I'm going to give you an in-depth three-step credit repair review based on my personal usage experience. As always, links to the product are available in the description below, so you can easily check it out for yourself. Three-step credit repair is designed for individuals who want to take charge of their credit repair in a simple, streamlined way. This service offers a straightforward process that breaks credit repair down into three key steps, making it user-friendly and accessible for anyone, regardless of their level of experience with credit issues. The process is not only easy to follow, but also highly effective in tackling the most common issues that affect credit scores. The first step is the credit report analysis. Three-step credit repair pulls your credit report and thoroughly reviews it, identifying any negative items, such as late payments, collections, or errors. This is crucial because many people don't realize that incorrect or outdated information can be dragging their credit score down. Step 2 focuses on disputing negative items. The platform automatically generates dispute letters for the items identified in your credit report and then submits them to the credit bureaus. This takes the hassle out of the process and allows you to focus on other aspects of improving your credit. The final step is the credit score monitoring feature. Three-step credit repair continuously monitors your credit and provides regular updates on your progress. This allows you to see how your actions are impacting your score, and it helps keep you on track toward your financial goals. The simplicity of this service is what makes it stand out. It's perfect for those who want an easy-to-use, step-by-step system without feeling overwhelmed. Whether you're looking to improve your score for a loan, mortgage, or simply to take control of your financial future, three-step credit repair is a great option to consider. If you're interested, check the description for the link to the product and take the first step toward a healthier credit score today.